everybody, good morning. Meteorologist Travis Klineski here on this Tuesday morning. We've got some upper level clouds out there this morning. The clouds get a lot thicker as you move towards southwestern and western Nebraska. There have been a couple of spotty light rain showers kind of right in here this morning. This is where the main chance of rain is going to be today. Most of us will stay dry, but there will be a gradual increase in clouds later on today. So it will become partly to mostly cloudy. Where there's more sun, warmer temperatures are expected here, so slightly cooler to the southwest and then cooler to the west here. Best chance of rain today, Panhandle, western Sandhills, right in here. Most of us will remain dry. Going into tonight, partly to mostly cloudy, keeps temperatures up a little bit. It'll be a little bit warmer tomorrow morning than it is this morning. Light winds and mostly still dry weather out there. Kind of a slim chance of rain right in here. Unfortunately, the recent forecast models continue to trend southward with the rain chances on Wednesday. That said, we may see some pop-up showers during the afternoon. So a few showers, maybe some cracks of thunder, some flashes of lightning out there, but mostly just a few hit or miss showers. And unfortunately, this is probably going to be a light rain in most locations. So we're talking a few hundredths of a tenth of an inch at best. Most of you won't get any beneficial rain. I'm not expecting that right now. If you get a tenth of an inch of rain, you're probably looking pretty good because most of us will not see that tomorrow. Some of this continues tomorrow evening, but once we get after dark and into the later night hours, the showers diminish. So we should be mostly dry after midnight into Thursday morning. We may see a few more pop-up showers here eastern Nebraska as we get into Thursday afternoon once again, but most areas west of Highway 281 will remain dry on Thursday. No severe weather expected the next couple of days, by the way. Highs today, 70s and lower 80s. The warmest temperatures in the northeast with the most sunshine in here. Cooler, more clouds the farther west and southwest that should go. Tonight's lows down into the upper 40s and low to mid 50s. A little milder thanks to thicker clouds around. Tomorrow will be our coolest day. That said, most of us are still going to be up into the 70s. The coolest weather will be where the thickest clouds are to the south and west. Tomorrow night, maybe a little cooler as skies start to clear up. We're back down into the 40s to lower 50s for lows. And then Thursday, we start to warm up a little bit, mid to upper 70s, with a big trend towards even warmer temperatures to come. 40s for lows, maybe near 50 in spots for Thursday night into Friday morning and Friday itself. Now we're starting to jump into the 80s, and we're going to see a trend towards a lot more 80s in our future as we move into this upcoming weekend, and that's going to continue into next week as well, and we're mostly going to be dry during that time frame. Taking a look at the extended outlook again, we have 70s the next couple of days, a 30% chance of a few showers tomorrow, mainly in the afternoon, 20% chance Thursday afternoon, but mostly a dry forecast. More sunshine, warmer temperatures into Mother's Day weekend, continuing to early next week. A little more wind Sunday and into Monday. And then beyond that, we may be touching near 90 next week from today, next Tuesday. We're otherwise mostly 80s for most of next week. And again, it's going to be tough to get much rain through the middle of May. Very similar forecast to North Platte. Slight chance of rain tonight, 30% chance tomorrow afternoon. I think we'll stay dry on Thursday, though, and we start to warm up there. And 80s then returning Friday and beyond. Windier conditions Sunday, Mother's Day, and again on Monday. And those 80s again sticking around, maybe pushing near 90 next Tuesday, a week from today. But we're going to be on the warm side for the foreseeable future. And in fact, the Climate Prediction Center's outlook showing much of the central and eastern U.S. to be above average, basically from that 13th through the 19th of the month right now. We're going to be looking at some warm weather. They have us in the above average category for precipitation. I'm very iffy on that. I would agree with this here. It looks like the storm chance tracks may take the better chances of rain to our north and west. I'm very iffy on much in our area here. I certainly agree with this here, but I would almost move that. I would put Nebraska and northern Kansas kind of in this area right here, equal chances. Right now, just not a lot. All the good rain, maybe a little too much rain to our south, even some snow in the Rockies today and tonight. Tomorrow we get those pop-up showers. A little bit over eastern areas Thursday afternoon, southeastern areas, but then after that, not much moisture. We try to get some later in the week next week. But right now, like I said, the track looks to be more to our north and west, and not much for us through next Friday. The GFS model, all the good rain today, some snow in the Rockies, Little bit of rain tomorrow here and there, spotty showers. Thursday afternoon, maybe a little bit over eastern areas, maybe as far west as Highway 281. We're probably mostly dry Friday. And then Saturday, Sunday, dry, warming up. And then again, there's that track of moisture middle of next week staying to our north and west. We're probably dry till the end of next week, at least. And we're going to trend warmer. You can see it here. We're going from already fairly mild temperatures to much warmer temperatures starting Friday, and that's going to continue right through the weekend into early next week here. No signs of any big cool downs till maybe the end of next week right now. Again, mild already these next few days. Then we trend towards warmer weather Friday and into the weekend, and that's going to settle in right into early next week as well. Maybe trending slightly cooler at the end of next week, but no major cool downs on the way. Well, real quick, let's check out the forecast one more time. We're going to go to some specific towns around the area this morning. You can notice the trend of cooler weather to the west. There is a slight chance of rain around Hyannis and Arthur, even Gordon there, where temperatures will be in the upper 60s and low 70s. More sun, warmer temperatures as we go to the east. Low 80s around Ord and Burwell, Spencer, 77 in Springview. Southwest Nebraska, low 70s around Bankelman and Imperial, mid 70s around Hayes Center, upper 70s for Kearney, Minden, 80 degrees in Loop City. More sun as you go towards the east and the northeast. Southeast Nebraska, partly to mostly sunny skies, upper 70s, lower 80s, 81 St. Paul, Central City, 80 in Crete, Beatrice, 79 in Fairbury, 79 as well in Tecumseh. And northeast Nebraska, we're talking low to mid 80s. These will be your warmest temperatures today because I expect the most sunshine right in here, and should be a pretty decent day in those locations. So looking good out there for today across much of the area, even despite thicker clouds out towards the west, still fairly mild despite those clouds. All right, with that, I'm going to let you all go. Thank you for watching. I will be back with you on Wednesday morning as we take a look at the latest chance of rain. Until then, take care and God bless. Bye.